Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? We have another Boxycharm unboxing for January because you know I was late. So yeah. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of January, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's take a look. Boxycharm. This is the base box. So it says Glow Your Soul. So let's just run through that quickly and see what is in here. The first product is, it says Sequalin facial oil, and it's from Feel Cosmetics. I'm guessing, or maybe Feel Beauty. So it's an oil. Looks like so cute. It's sugar derived, Quailin 90, reduces wrinkle, vitamin C, and brightens skin.
Know that I'ma ignore you all night, all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right. But I know that when I get home, I check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'm not.
And that I'm not gonna put on my face because we're not sure how, you know, that's gonna like all work out. Let's jump into our next product. It's from FARAH. It's a smooth focus face primer, so we'll definitely use that. And it just says prep your skin with our smooth focus face primer to unlock the secret to a picture perfect skin.
Thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired.
The component doesn't really have a lot going on. Let's see. Oh, it's one of those like it feels a little bit like one of those, like kind of like that elf primer, the green one, or it comes in a different color. Let's see. A little silicone-y, but more kind of wet. I don't think it did much of anything, but you know what? I will prime with it. Let us jump into the next product. Is from YLS, and it is a mascara.
Feel this now. I thought I would have moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
I don't know, I'm still looking for that great mascara, you know. One day it looks like so, and I don't think this is gonna be it, but well, we'll see. We'll test it out. Let me not put stuff on there to mess with my primer, because I already primed my eye. Today I'm trying to like leave my primer kind of pretty close to my skin tone, more kind of just smoothing a little bit. So this is what, 3 products. So we only have like 2 more products out because this is the base box. As I said, this is from Iconic London, and it looks like this is an eyeliner.
So tell me why I get this feeling now, or tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing.
Yup. This is pretty though. So it has this really tiny little part and then a bigger one. So let's see. Yep, nice and black, and we will be testing her out today. And last but not least, this is from Treslúce Beauty, and it said Playa Dreams, and it is a duo highlighter palette. Pretty sure I have this palette somewhere here. Kind of looks like so. This looks kind of dark, but we will test it out. Okay, so that's all the products. So we don't have any eyeshadow palette today, but that's okay because I actually got this palette from Mario. I didn't get it from him because Mario don't know who I am, so he does like I bought it with my own money. So let us jump into here. Perfect. This is from Iconic London, and I'm gonna use it to do a wing. I'm gonna go with the big part first, and then so what is this called? It says the Iconic London Enrich and Elevate Eyeliner. So now I'm gonna go back to the little part, or the one that's like small. Perfect. And then let's finish up that wing. So this is the mascara from YLS, and it says Lash Confidence. So let's go ahead and use that. And I also got this from my Boxycharm. I don't see anything. I can barely see it. Now, let me go to my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. First, I'm gonna use my primer that I got in my Boxycharm, which is from FARAH Beauty. It's like a silicone primer with a little bit of like wet feel. I'm gonna focus it here. I like to put my primer like right here, because that's where I feel like my problem areas are. And a little bit on my forehead. I think it does like a little bit of smoothing, but I don't know. I don't think it's like a lot. Here and just, you know, the side of my nose and like right here. Pretty much my T-zone for the most part. That's where I concentrated on. Okay. And then let us set her and forget her. Oh no. Oops. One more thing I need to do is use this from my Boxycharm, which is my highlighter. So we're gonna go in. I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be dark. So this is from Treslúce Beauty. And then I'm putting that on a T15. But it's not too bad. Okay, now let's go over what I got in my Boxycharm. So first was that mascara. I am very biased, like not even biased, like I can't find a mascara that does much of anything for me, not much of anything. So so for mascara, that was $19. The next product is from Treslúce, and that was the highlighter palette. So it was the highlighter. It was just okay, and that was $26. Let's jump into that eye pencil from Iconic London, and that was actually pretty good. That was pretty good, and that was $25. And we had that oil from Feel Beauty. I didn't test that out because, you know, I can't, because I don't want to put like an oil on my face right before makeup. Some people do. It doesn't work out for me. So no, that was $36. And last but not least is that primer from FARAH Beauty. It was okay. Like, I don't know. It was okay. I have other primers that do a lot better, but it's only $22, so I'll give it that. $22. So my total box was $128. I spent like $35 on that box, so it's not terrible. It's not terrible this time around. Yeah, this time, I don't know. I feel like my last two boxes have been pretty good because this I only had one facial product, which was the oil. And then I know the primer is kind of a facial product too, but I can use it for makeup. But yeah, so that's it guys for this January unboxing. If you like, you know, my channel, if you like me, if there's something else you want to see me do, maybe, you know, hint in the comments. But yeah, that's it for my Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
But somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be home.